Okay, so we're currently in my bedroom. Has literally nothing on the wall yet. I don't know. I haven't decided something for that wall. But I was in the middle of cleaning, and something came. This is a Barkbox. I have two dogs. I have a Labradoodle and a Beagle. They're both described as they have a heavy chewer box, and then they have like an extreme chewer box, and so I got the extreme chewer with allergies. So it contains no wheat and no soy and no chicken. And it has this adorable paper. And then inside is these things. So we have a Barkbox membership card. Interesting. I guess maybe it's for their Instagram? Oh, okay. Fill out front of card. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so you share it on like their social media, and then so you put the pet's information and their photo. I also did the add-on for an extra toy because Shane Dawson had a code. Thank you. This is a sticker thing, which is random for New York City. Yeah. Okay. Well, I happen to have somebody in my life that will love stickers. Okay. And then Extra Toy Club. This is just a little something about Barkbox, so just like a little book, but it doesn't say anything about what's in there this month, but it does. Okay. Yeah, it gives you the customer service line. I actually had to call the customer service because I had an issue with my order the other night before it billed, and the girl was amazing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is meant to be if you have one dog. Right. But I got the extra two. Oh. Okay, so this is like a doggy news, like it's like a whole doggy newspaper, but it's full of squeakers. Like all of these little lumps are different squeakers. This is amazing. Buddy is going to rip all of these out. He's gonna love it. This is a pretzel. There's no squeaker in here. It's a really good chew toy though. The whole thing has a rope inside. Like, you can feel it's a really heavy rope. Oh, that one's really good. And then I would assume the third extra toy is this. I'll assume because the stickers are New York themed, it's a New York themed box because pretzel. Hashtag Destroyers Club. The bark post. This is a really cool toy. And then Lady Liberty's head as a ball with a squeaker. Oh, they're gonna love these. And then the treats are Brooklyn bagels, and then Central Pork Pizza. So these are bacon snacks, and these are pork. And I did say that we had allergies in this house. Yes, no chicken. Let's just double check. Bacon, oatmeal, vegetables, no chicken. The very last thing, is a great big old venison chew stick. I am going to tuck this away because if a couple of these come Buddy is currently on a diet, but this would be a really great treat for socks. Make her feel extra special. And then there's just the paper, which is very nice. So, all in all, the total charge for that box, including shipping and tax and everything, was $47 Canadian. So, for 3 decent toys, these feel really good quality. I'm really happy about the stitching. My dogs are going to tear these apart really quick, but that's my dogs. 2 large bags of treats. This right here is a $5 snack. I definitely got my money's worth. I don't know that I really got hugely more than my money's worth, but these are certainly the amount of time that I spend hunting down allergy-friendly treats for socks. And these also look, the other thing about the allergy box is they use treats that are designed for sensitive stomachs as well. So these hopefully won't be too rich for Buddy either. This is gonna be for socks, so that's gonna be too rich. But yeah, the dogs are really gonna love these. All in all, I'm doing a 6-month membership, right? I'm really happy with it so far. I'm gonna let you guys know over the next 6 months whether or not I'm gonna renew. As of right now, I think I have it set not to renew, but I'm really happy with that, and so I'm happy to continue for next month. I think this is gonna be really great, and the dogs are gonna love it. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.